Hi Highland Ranch, this is Miss Brielle, and today I will be teaching you guys how to make an origami heart. So the first step is you take the corner, fold it up so that the lines are matching, and then you're going to crease this, and then open it back up and do the same on the opposite side. And then open that back up. And this part you're going to take these sides and push that down. Okay, then you take this corner and put it down here to this point. Crease that, and then do the same on the other side. Then you're going to take this side and bring it to the center, like this, and same with the other side. And then you're going to flip the whole thing over and take the bottom and bring it to these points right here. And then crease the bottom. Then you bring this corner to the center and crease, and this corner to the center and crease. Next step is you're going to take not this part but just this part and push it down. Then you let this open up and you grab this piece and put it into here, and do the same with the other side. And then push that down, and then this part you grab the corner and you kind of fold it like that, so we're making our heart shape, and push that down, and then this little piece just put that under there, and then the other side same thing, and then put this under, and this is your heart, and this is what this side looks like.